Good morning students. Today we are going to solve exercise 6.2 from 8th problem onwards. What is the 8th problem here? If A is I minus K, B bar vector is xi plus j plus 1 minus x into K, and C bar vector is yi plus xj plus 1 plus x minus y into K. We have these three vectors. We are going to show that mod of A bar, B bar, C bar depends neither x nor y. Okay, neither x nor y. Bracket ABC, we know how to find bracket ABC, right? By finding the determinant we will get the bracket ABC value. Now directly I am finding bracket ABC, A bar, B bar, C bar. What are the coordinates? What are the components of A bar? 1 0 minus 1, 1 0 minus 1. B bar x 1 1 minus x. C bar y x 1 plus x minus y. These are the components of A bar, B bar and C bar. Now let us expand this. 1 into, by removing column and by hiding column and first row, you will get 1 into 1 plus xy, 1 plus x minus y, x into 1 minus x plus x minus x square, minus of no, so minus x plus x square. Next 0 into something, no need of that. Why? Because 0 into anything 0. Next minus 1 into, by hiding column and first row, you will get x square minus y. Now by simplifying, you will get 1 plus x minus y minus x plus x square plus y. By simplifying, minus y plus y get cancelled, minus x plus x cancel, x square cancel. So we got 1, bracket ABC value 1. So see here, bracket ABC is not depending on values of xy. Why? Because any value of x and y here you can take, they will be removed at the end of the solution. By expanding, every term, x term and y term will be eliminated. So you will get 1. So bracket ABC is not depending on xy values. Okay, right. Clearly you can write here. Therefore, bracket ABC is not depending on ABC depends on neither x nor y. Okay, this is 8th problem. Now problem number 9. Ninth problem. What is 9th problem? If the vectors, first vector ai plus aj plus ck, and another vector I plus k, and third vector is ci plus cj plus bk are coplanar. Prove that C is the geometric mean of A and B. Geometric mean of A and B. That is what is the geometric mean? Means we have to show C equal to under root of AB. Root of AB is known as geometric mean of AB. So we are going to show C is geometric mean of AB, means we are going to show C equal to root of AB if given vectors are coplanar. If given three vectors are coplanar, we know that their box ABC is 0, scalar product is 0, right? Now I am taking scalar product of these vectors as 0. Solution: given vectors, this is I am taking as A bar, this one I am taking as B bar, and this one I am taking as C bar, are coplanar. coplanar. If they are coplanar, we know that a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to 0. What is a bar, b bar? Determinant of ABC. A bar components A, C. B bar components 1, 0, 1. B bar components I plus K, no? There is no J, so 0. C bar components C, C, B. Okay, C, C, B. Now by expanding this, A into 0 into B 0, 1 into C minus C. Minus A into, sorry, okay, right hand side I am taking 0 now, so left hand side I am expanding. Right hand side keep as 0, left hand side you have to expand. A into 0 minus C, minus A into, here minus A into B minus C, plus C into C minus 0 is equal to 0. Now here minus AC, minus AB plus AC plus C square is equal to 0. Now by minus AC plus AC cancel, you will get C square equal to AB here, C equal to root AB. So clearly we can write, clearly C is the geometric mean of AB. You can say C is the geometric mean of AB. This is 9th problem. Okay. Now problem number 10. Exercise problem number 10 is the last problem. Okay, 10th problem. What is given? Let A bar, B bar, C bar be three non-zero vectors, such that C bar is a unit vector, perpendicular to both A bar and B bar, if the angle between A bar and B bar is pi by 6, show that bracket ABC whole square is equal to 1 by 4 mod A square mod B square. Right? Now write the given information. First. Okay. What is given? A bar, C bar is unit vector. Solution. Given C bar is unit vector. Unit vector means its magnitude is 0. So that implies mod C is equal to 0. Sorry, 1. Unit vector, no? Mod C is 1. And what is given? C bar is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. That means you can write C bar is parallel to A bar cross B bar. Why? Because A bar cross B bar also perpendicular to A and B both. So C automatically parallel to A bar and B bar. Right? And angle between A bar and B bar is also given, that is pi by 6. Right? Now we are going to prove the given statement. So we know that bracket ABC is what? Scalar product of A bar dot B cross C. Scalar product. Okay, B cross C. So here angle between B and C, no? Angle between B and C is given pi by 6. B and C are A and B. Okay, A and B only. A and B is given. A and B bar pi by 6 is given. ABC equal to A dot B cross C, or you can write A cross B dot C also. No problem. Anywhere you can write. here we have angle between a bar and a and b, no, so I am taking a cross b dot c bar on both sides. By taking modulus on both sides, a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to, here also modulus of a bar cross b bar dot c bar, right? Now that implies you will get mod a cross b bar mod c bar cos 0. Why? Because these two are parallel vectors. So cos 0 1, so you will get mod a bar cross b bar mod c bar. Mod c bar value 1, so you will get a bar cross b bar, a bar cross b bar. So here you will get mod of bracket a bar b bar c bar is equal to, bracket of a bar b bar c bar is equal to mod a bar cross b bar only. Why? Because mod c is also 1 unit vector, right? Now by expanding, mod a cross b is mod a bar mod b bar sine of angle between a and b, 5/6. So you will get mod a bar mod b bar sine 5/6 value 1/2, right? Now by taking squaring on both sides, mod of a bar b bar c bar whole square is equal to mod a square mod b square 1/4, right? So clearly we can write mod abc also as a bar b bar c bar. Why I removed the mod? Why? Because whole square again positive, right? So 1/4 of mod a square into mod b square. This is the solution. Okay, right. Now new topic, vector triple product. Already we studied vector scalar triple product. Now vector triple product, right? What is vector triple product? Definition: for given set of three vectors a bar comma b bar and c bar, the vector, here we will get vector, the vector a bar cross b bar cross c bar, a bar cross b bar cross c bar is called vector triple product. This is called vector triple product. Okay, right. Here write one note. So given vectors a b c, following vectors triple products we can write as a bar cross b bar cross c bar, a bar cross b bar cross c bar, a bar cross c bar cross b bar, b bar cross c bar cross a bar. All are known as vector triple product only. Vector triple product. These are all known as vector triple products. Okay. Now one more thing, one more note here. One more important note. Vector triple product is not associative. Vector triple product is not associative. That means a cross b bar cross c bar, you cannot write as a bar cross b bar cross c bar. We cannot interchange the bracket. Okay, so vector triple product is not associative. Very important note, you should remember this. Okay, now vector triple product expansion. Vector triple product, right? Vector triple product expansion. expansion. Vector triple for any three vectors, for any three vectors, for any three vectors a bar, b bar and c bar, a bar and b bar, c bar, we can write a bar cross b bar cross c bar. I am taking one vector product, right? Vector triple product. We can expand this by a dot c, a c here first vector dot second vector of this dot product, a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar. Okay, you can write this like this also, right? This is the expansion of vector triple product. Now next, Jacobi's identity and Legendre's identity. Jacobi's identity. Jacobi's identity. What is Jacobi's identity? For any three vectors. For any three vectors. Any three vectors. For any three vectors, a bar, comma b bar, comma c bar, we have a bar cross b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross c bar cross a bar, right, plus c bar cross a bar cross b bar is always equal to 0 bar. See, observe here, the notation we should not change. A after B after C only. See, first A outside, next B outside, next C outside, next A B C. Here also A B C A C A B. Notation is you should not interchange. Here you don't write C cross B cross A, right? So if you have this product, you can write directly 0. Okay, this is Jacobi's identity. Remember it. Very useful identity, Jacobi's identity. Next to Lagrange's identity. Lagrange's identity. Lagrange's identity. What is Lagrange's identity? For any three vectors again. For any three vectors. For any three vectors, a bar, comma b bar, comma c bar. For any three vectors, a bar, comma b bar. Any four vectors are here, not three vectors, four vectors. Four vectors, a bar, comma b bar, comma c bar, comma d bar. We have a bar cross b bar dot c bar cross d bar. A bar cross b bar dot c bar cross d bar. We can find this by like using this data also. A bar dot c bar, a bar dot d bar, here b bar dot c bar, b bar dot d bar. So this is known as Lagrange's identity. Okay, this is known as Lagrange's identity. Right. Now one theorem, one proof. Prove that. One example. Prove that bracket of a bar cross b bar, b bar cross c bar, c bar cross a bar is equal to bracket a bar b bar c bar whole square. Bracket a bar b bar c bar whole square. Right. Now I am expanding this solution. I am going to expand this. Bracket of a bar b bar, comma b bar cross c bar, comma c bar cross a bar. This I am assuming these three are vectors. This is one vector, this is one vector. So box of three vectors is nothing but scalar triple product. So first vector I am writing as it is, a bar cross b bar dot. Second vector b bar cross c bar cross c bar cross a bar. third vector, first vector, second vector, third. So a, if you assume this as a, b, c, a dot b cross c is a scalar product. Now I am using the expansion of this. How we can write b cross? First I will expand this. Which one? B cross c e bar. Next I will substitute here. Okay, right. B cross c bar, b bar cross c bar, cross c bar cross a bar, c bar cross a bar is equal to. I am treating this as first vector. Okay, first vector into dot product of this. So b bar cross c bar dot a bar into c bar by expansion of vector triple product. Again this vector into dot this vector plus b bar cross c bar dot c bar into a bar outside. So this is bracket ABC into c bar. This one bracket ABC, bracket not ABC, BCC into a bar. Bracket CC value 0. So this is a bar, b bar, c bar into c bar. A bar, c bar into c bar, right? I got a bar, b bar, c bar into c bar. Using this value in I'm substituting here in 1. Using this value in 1. Using this value in 1, what we will get? We will get a bar cross b bar, a bar cross b bar dot. I am substituting this. Substitute in 1. In place of this. So what we got? A bar, b bar, c bar dot into c bar. This is scalar, no? We can take outside. A bar, b bar, c bar I am taking outside bracket. So what we got? A bar cross b bar dot c bar. Again this is what? Scalar triple product. How we can write? A bar, this is number, so I am taking outside. Scalar, some magnitude, so I am taking outside, right? A bar cross b bar c bar. This is also bracket a bar, b bar, c bar. So what we got? Bracket of a bar, b bar, c bar whole square. A bar, b bar, c bar whole square. Right? Right. Now, one example problem. Another example problem. Second example. If a bar is equal to minus 2y plus 3j minus 2k, b bar is equal to 3i minus j plus 3k, c bar is equal to 2i minus 5j plus k. Okay, find a bar cross b bar cross c bar and a bar cross b bar cross c bar. Right? Now I am going to find first a cross b bar solution. First I will find out this. I will find a cross b bar. How to find a cross b bar? I, j, k vectors. First row, second row, a components minus 2, 3, minus 2. Third row, b components minus 1, 3. Now I into here 9 minus 2 minus j into minus 6 plus 6 plus k into here plus 2 minus 9 plus 2 minus 9. So you will get 7i minus 7k. 7i minus 7k. 7i minus 7k is a cross b bar. Now a cross b cross c bar. So this vector into c bar. So a bar cross b bar, already we got the vector cross c bar. Again I, j, k. This vector components 7, 0, minus 7. C bar components 2, minus 5, 1. I into here 0 into 1, 0, 7 5 is 35, minus 35, minus j into 7 plus 14 plus k into row 7 5 is 35, minus 35. That is minus I, 35i, 7 plus 14 21 minus 21j minus 35k is the vector of this. In the similar way you can solve this one also. Okay, right, thank you.